How to fix Fortnite not launching on PC. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to fix this problem. So the first thing you're gonna have to do, simply open up your Epic Games launcher and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Go to your libraries and find Fortnite from the list of your games. Tap on the three dots on Fortnite and then it will pop up this menu. Now from here you simply have to go to its manage option. So go ahead and click on manage. And once the option is open here, you just first need to verify the files. So see if the files are available here and the application is running. Now, the next step is to go to installation and then find the button right besides the uninstall. So just tap on that little icon. It will open up your file location. Now from here, go to Fortnite Games and then go to Win64. Now from there, all you have to do is go to Easy Anti-Cheat US Setup. So just right click on it and then go to its properties. Once the properties is open, all you have to do is just go to the name change and then type in space repair right after the name, whatever name it has. Then go to compatibility and make sure that you turn on these two options. Just close everything out and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.